There is an Ask QuantForge button sitting in the corner of every page.
This is your guide to the whole platform, and it follows you everywhere. Whenever you are unsure what a screen means, or you want a quick answer about your own account, you tap this no searching through menus, no leaving the page you are on.
So it is part help desk, part account lookup.
Exactly both, and that combination is what makes it special. Let us open it and see the two very different kinds of question it can answer.
It opens into a chat panel knowledge plus your account.
That little line is the whole idea. The assistant answers from two sources. One is knowledge everything about how the platform works, the same guidance written into every screen. The other is your account, your own trades, your P&L, your funds, read live.
So it can answer both how does this work and what are my numbers.
In the same conversation. And the account side is strictly your own data, it can never read another trader's account. It is a private assistant that happens to also know the entire manual by heart.
There are ready-made questions to tap.
Starter chips, so you never face a blank box wondering what to ask. Notice they are a mix of both kinds. How do I set up auto trade? How do I split my margin, on the knowledge side, and show my fund balance, show my trades from today, on the account side? Tap any and it asks it for you.
Let us actually ask one.
Let us do both, first a knowledge question, then one about your own account, so you see each source answer in turn.
I tapped how do I connect my broker, and it wrote back an explanation.
A clear, step-by-step answer drawn straight from the platform's own documentation, not a guess from the open internet, but the real guidance for this exact product. And when the answer points to a page, it gives you a link you can tap to go straight there.
So it is a navigator, not just an explainer.
Both at once. It tells you what to do and then offers to take you there. For a beginner, that is enormous. You are never stranded wondering which of 40 screens you need. You just ask, and it walks you over.
Now I asked show my fund balance, and it answered with my actual numbers.
This is the other source at work. It read your live account and answered with real figures, often as a neat little table. You could just as well ask for your profit today, your open positions, or why a particular trade was skipped, all in plain English.
And the numbers are computed, not made up by the AI.
Exactly the same principle you have seen all through this course. The assistant fetches the real figures from your account and reads them to you. It never invents a number. It is a friendly voice on top of honest data, the two things you always want together.
At the bottom is a box to type my own question.
You are not limited to the chips. Ask anything in your own words, in English or in Hindi. There is a gentle length limit shown as a counter, just to keep questions focused. And notice the little microphone, you can speak your question instead of typing it.
And a speaker to read the answer back?
The assistant can read its replies aloud too, so a whole conversation can happen hands-free. Speaking to it, and even placing a trade by voice, is its own dedicated lesson. This is just the doorway. For now, know that whatever you need, you start by asking here.
So the one habit to build with the assistant?
When in doubt, ask before you hunt. It knows the whole manual and it can read your own account, so almost any question, how does this work, what are my numbers, where do I go next, has a fast, honest answer one tap away. It turns a big platform into a conversation.
And it never leaves the page I am on.
It floats over everything, always a tap away, private to you. Between this assistant and the video lessons, you are never on your own with a screen you do not understand. Ask freely, that is exactly what it is there for.